Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel.
This is Ritika Mishra.
And this is Aman Maheshwari from Upside Down Labs. Today we are excited to bring you the 11th update of our Chords application. For those who are newer, let me quickly introduce you to Chords. It is an open source web application designed for real-time signal visualization, particularly tailored for bioproducing signals like EEG, EMG, ECG and EUG. So without further ado, let's get started.
Let's review last week's updates to our Chords application. Last week we have introduced a feature that gives you complete control over your data visualization per frame. Using this button, you can select a time duration between 1 and 10 seconds, which allows you to customize how much data is displayed on screen in a single frame.
Now let's look at the latest update we have done this week, which was suggested by Macros Letsma on LinkedIn. Previously, our application supported a variety of boards, including the Arduino Uno R3, Maker Uno, Raspberry Pi Pico, Arduino Uno R4 Minima, Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi, and Arduino Giga R1. In this update, we have extended support for Arduino Nano board, which offers the capability to handle up to 8 channels of data. We have also added a feature wherein the Chords application automatically sets the channel count according to your development board you are using. For example, 3 channels of data is supported with Raspberry Pi Pico, 6 channels of data is supported with Arduino Uno R3, Maker Uno, Arduino Uno R4 Minima, Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi, Arduino Giga R1. 8 channels of data is supported with a newly added Arduino Nano.
That's it for this week's updates. Don't forget to check out our roadmap on Chords GitHub repo. Links can be found in description box below. Stay tuned for more exciting updates. For more details, you can check out complete documentation of Chords application, which is linked in description. If you missed any earlier updates, you can catch up by watching Chords updates playlist. We would love to hear your thoughts. Share any features that you want to see in Chords. More exciting updates are on the way, so stay connected. Bye bye for now.
Bye bye.